Good morning, road runners. I'm Henry.
I'm Benjy. Today is November 27th.
Today is a green day through kinder through 4th grade. Now it's time for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Please stand and place your right hand over your heart.
Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please continue standing for a moment of silence. Please be seated.
Hey, what college do you want to go to? GCU. GCU.
Now it's time for Zarina for the positive affirmation.
Hi, I'm Zarina, and today's positive affirmation is, I am proud of myself for what I have accomplished. Be proud of what you've done. Now back to our host.
Thank you, Zarina, for that positivity.
Our choices for lunch today are cheesy meatball subs, delicious cheese pizza, classic pepperoni pizza, sun butter and jelly sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich, and grilled cheese burgers. On Monday, you can have fluffy pancakes and a variety of many cereal.
You can also have whole grain honey graham crackers on Monday.
Now it's time to go to Natalie for the weather. How's it looking out there, Natalie?
Hi, I'm Natalie, and today will be partly cloudy with a low of 49 and a high of 76. It will also get a little breezy later in the day, so make sure to dress warm and not to lose your jackets. It will still be chilly throughout the day. Now back to our host.
Happy Thanksgiving. There's no school on Thursday and Friday. The Harkins Cup fundraiser is going on. It will be going from 11/25 all the way to 12/6/2025. Loyalty Cup will be $7.75. Enjoy $3 of soft drink refills throughout the end of 2025. Vouchers will be delivered to your student by Wednesday, December 18th. Look for a flyer coming home to your student. Also look forward to Panda Percentage Day on December 2nd.
I have a form filled out from the teachers giving me basic facts about them. I'm going to be telling students here and see if they can guess the teacher who the facts are about. Let's see if their answers are right. This teacher is a middle school teacher. They have 2 cats, and they have two kids. One is 25 and the other is 22. And they're English and German. And their favorite color is orange. Who do you think this teacher is?
Miss Barfield.
Nope.
Miss Reese.
No.
Miss Cheeps.
No.
Mr. Hensley.
Yes!
How'd you guess that?
This teacher is a middle school teacher. They're from Arizona. They have 1 dog. They have 4 girls. And their cultural heritage is Mexican. And their favorite color is light pink. Who is this teacher?
Mr. Hensley?
No.
Oh wait, is it Miss Miranda?
Yes. Good job on guessing your guys' teachers.
Now it's time for Easy Recipe for Kids.
Hi, we're here to bring you easy recipes for kids.
We're making a mug chocolate cake. What you need is a mug. So we're going to start off with 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Next, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of water, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mix the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and some milk, canola oil, water, and vanilla extract. Cook in the microwave until the middle is done. So, about 1 minute and 45 seconds.
This is low-key fire.
Today's birthdays are Miss Gilbride Noel H, Eva G, Regan W, and Yanisa H. On Thanksgiving, it's Miss S, Julian B, and Harlem M. On Friday, it's Emily H, and Saturday, Samantha C. Happy birthday. The world's a better place because you were born into it.
Now it's time for our Ridge statement. Please say it with us. At the Ridge, we respect each other, show integrity, demonstrate positive attitudes with gratitude and kindness, and lead with excellence in all that we do.
That's it for our morning announcements.
Please remember our Roadrunner rules.
Be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and please be kind. Have a great day, Roadrunners. Beep, beep.
Now it's time for the positive mouth. You're never listening to me. Stop. That's it. You're
I want this to be the reason I'm fired.
This is your fire. You're fired. You're fired.